Collective animals like siphonophores and coral are always so intriguing to me. Individuals with vastly different appearances and structures. Despite being the nice I don't need an alarm clock I have a pitbull shirt. I gotcha. Wasn't sure if it was a common biological term or just an analogy you were making. Totally makes sense now. Thank you for the cool post. They also suck. I was at the beach one year. And nice I don't need an alarm clock I have a pitbull shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. This has always been one of my favorite sea critters since I first read about them. I was maybe nice I don't need an alarm clock I have a pitbull shirt. I could highly recommend another post of mine about the sea slug that is able to perform photosynthesis. Don't forget to include a source for your post. Please link your source in a comment on your post thread. Your source cannot be a personal blog or non-scientific news site and must include other product.